What's up, guys? We are back again, and yeah, we've been away for a while. We've been away for some time.
Feels like eternity.
Yeah, but we are so happy to be back, and we just want to say thank you to the new subscribers that have joined us and the guys that have been sticking around, even though we haven't been uploading content. But yeah, we've just been dealing with some real world stuff recently, and yeah, we're really happy to be back shooting again. And one of the Crispy Worx members got a new car. I don't know if it's Shrill, I don't know if it's Chris, we don't know. But yeah, we're gonna show you guys that in today's video. And what else are we gonna be doing today? We're gonna do something on the Golf, maybe something small, just to update you guys on the progress and where we are.
Yeah, on the last video we didn't get to putting in the intake manifold and the exhaust manifold. So today we're just gonna do that, and yeah, we're gonna show you our new car that we got.
We hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and yeah, we're gonna have a car feature for you guys as well soon in our next video. Car feature.
Yes, sir.
Shrill's wife is summoning him. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and yeah, let's get straight into it.
Yeah, make that.
This is the air suspension install.
Yeah, we're gonna put air suspension, guys. Surprise, surprise! Done.
We're swapping these bad boys out. So how much are we selling the old springs for?
We're just gonna give it away.
Oh, we're gonna do a giveaway on the channel.
Yeah.
Okay.
We just have to hit 1 million likes. Color. Why Jack in the car, Shell?
I'm putting the exhaust manifold because we can't get in from the top, so I need to go underneath.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Brute strength.
Smart man, sure.
You and
Yeah.
are we attaching it there, bro?
Yeah. Can you take it from the top?
Definitely try. Gonna get the other arm.
Okay.
And take off my watch. Oh shit. There is some stuff in the.
Just wait, you must the gasket. Go out a bit. Go out. This gasket.
It's the Revo exhaust install.
Huh?
Revo exhaust install.
Yeah, straight pipe.
Straight pipe way.
We're going straight pipe, boys.
Got to install up. I'm struggling here, bro. It's just tight. What are you doing?
I'm slamming the worm.
I'll show you when we get inside. Back of the top one. For a spin. Hey, do we take it for a drive now, bro? Is it ready?
It's not ready yet.
Yeah. Just need to put the pedals in, then we can take it for a drive.
The exhaust manifold is in and the intake manifold is in. We're gonna be tightening it up soon. And yeah, and then we're gonna be putting in the other engine mounting soon, maybe in the next video.
We're going to finishing up the soundproofing. We still have some more to do on the driver's side, and then with the extra soundproofing we'll see where would be the best place to obviously help us with dampening the sound.
Yeah, and then maybe we want to get our radiator, possibly a new radiator that we're going to put in. Then we're going to put in our hinges here for the bonnet and for the boot. So yeah.
Okay, so we just ate now a delicious meal. Shout out to Shell's mother. rumor has it she won MasterChef back in the day. That she's the 2-time champion MasterChef winner.
Back to back.
That meal was
that.
lovely.
It's the back to back.
Anyway, so yes guys, Chris bought a new car. And yeah, he's pretty excited for his car. And yeah, before I show you guys some B-roll footage of the car, he's gonna tell us a bit of a story on the car. So yeah, here we go.
I'm not gonna say what the car's name is yet. I'll just give you the story, and then when you see the B-roll footage, you will then know. I've loved this car for so long. I even remember the first day I ever saw it. I saw it chilling outside of a McDonald's. When I first saw it, like, because I've never heard of this car before, I thought it was like a new LFA, Lexus LFA.
What did you say?
Because of its shape and everything. But obviously then ads came on TV, said what it was, and then only got more interested in the car. Played this car in racing games. Forza Horizon 2 I think had it, and I always had this car. The upgrading potential for this car is so high. That's the main reason I wanted it. Wide bodies for life. I love wide bodies. So this car, I mean, every time I see someone else drive it, I'm not gonna lie, I get jealous. Peanut butter and jelly. I saw a guy park outside of a gas station, and as I was pulling in, because I obviously needed to fill up, I was inside my head, I'm like, it's this guy. But then I got the courage, and I actually walked up to the guy and I said, excuse me. The guy's like, yo, what? And I'm like, can I ask you something strange? Do you mind if I sit in your car? The guy looked at me weird, you know, he gave me that eye. And it's like, okay. And then obviously while we walked to the car, he obviously realized how much of a fan I am of this car. So he trusted me more, and I sat in it. And the reason why I really wanted to sit in this, because I'm a taller man. I'm 6'4", 6'3", and it is a smaller car. But I'm happy to say I can fit in this car perfectly fine. Yeah, so it's my dream, and thankfully I got this car a few days ago, Thursday. So
So Chris, what's first?
What do you mean what's first?
what do you mean?
Straight pipe, engine swap, air suspension, coilies.
So I had a friend over with a straight pipe a few days ago, and I never. Yeah, I do want to straight pipe this. Maybe have a resonator in there, so just to take a bit of the rasp. Something that I can. Well, what's that thing called where you can make the sound go away and off again?
Kind of has like a motor flap, so that can in and out.
Yeah. So we don't know.
So
the
it'll
name.
have like maybe a silencer, and then it can cut out the silencer.
Yeah.
And then it can go straight pipe.
Just for the dogs in my area, and my dogs, like I love my dogs. So, yeah, straight pipe. I want the thing to sound like well into the future. A wide body maybe. I do want to maybe put a turbo or supercharger on. Turbo, the power will come in at a certain RPM, or supercharger I believe maintains the power throughout. I would like to lower the car, but it's just, as much as this wheel gap, if you have a look here, is this is terrible. It's just, I'm already almost scraping on everything with this massive wheel gap, so I don't know what I'm going to do. But I would love if I had like flush fitment, static, or maybe even air down the line. But I'm more of a coilover guy myself, so I think, yeah, I would like to do that. This disgusting aerial, I want gone. I want to like a shark fin here, because you know people just and then Valenti tail lights maybe down the line, some proper LED lights here, so it can keep its modern.
So all of this, how we're gonna be doing it on the channel?
Most of it. Well, the car does still have 2-year warranty still left, so I don't want to just throw that away yet. I just got the car, so I'm going to see if there's any kinks, but so far it drives like a dream. But yeah, I think we will be doing...
Who cares about the warranty?
Hey bro, my bank account's running low now. Yeah, my wallet's running empty now that I have this, but it's all good now. Yeah, so definitely we'll do most of the stuff on the channel. If we do the wide body, definitely 100% we're doing it. I could even do it right now if I had the kit. That's how many videos I've seen on how to do it, and obviously wider wheels with the wide body. But yeah, That's my dream.
Anything we do on the car, I think we'll have it on the channel. Make a playlist for this.
But yeah, it's definitely anything done with the car will be on the channel. Or if we don't do it, maybe we'll go to wherever it is being done and we'll film that with those individuals. Because like obviously we're not tuners, we don't know how the tuning scene is.
Yeah.
You rather have that done by professional, you don't want to bust anything in there. So if we do supercharge it, even if we were to put the turbo or the supercharger on, we still don't know how to tune.
Yeah, ask for expert advice rather.
Absolutely, yeah. So yeah, that's the overall dream. For now, I'm still in the honeymoon phase. So when I walk into my garage and I see this, I forget I have this car, and I walk in there, I see this car, my face goes like this. But yeah, no, I'm really happy.
All right.
Yeah, I like this burnt orange color. It's nice.
Okay, guys, so there you have it. Yeah, Chris, congrats on the new whip. I'm next, I think, or maybe Shell. Once the YouTube payouts start coming.
Yes.
And yeah, guys, road to 1K subs. Once again, we appreciate everyone that has subscribed and everyone that's stuck around still. There we go, they done it again. But anyway, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe, and yeah, hit the notification as well. And yeah, see you guys.